Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about feature image. So chances are when you just install WordPress for the first time and you are using classic editor, there won't be any option for adding feature image. You can see tags, you can see categories, you can see publish, but no feature image here. So you basically have to tell WordPress that WordPress, I don't have feature image, please give me some, and WordPress will give it to you. No, it doesn't work like that. You need to write some code in functions.php, and what do you have to write? That you can see here in codex.wordpress.org slash post thumbnails. So this is basically a support that you can enable. How you just have to write this line of code at theme support, and within the brackets you have to write post thumbnails. So after you write this, WordPress will see that yes, you do not have the support for post thumbnails, and it will give you it will give you a box like this fit that's the title is featured image, and you can basically set a featured image, and this box will be right here that you can use. So the point of showing everything from here is to make you familiar that these are main documentation that is here, and that will be always here, so you don't have to memorize anything. If you forget anything, you just have to type post thumbnail support, and the Google will basically redirect you to this page, and you can see how to add theme support of post thumbnails. So one thing I say to everyone, that do not memorize anything without knowing what you are doing. Once you use this for a couple of times, you will eventually won't need this page anymore. You will just whenever you are in need of post thumbnails, you will just eventually write this line of code. But before having that state, you need to have this practice, that you know where this came from. And if you find trouble doing anything, you can just go through the documentation, and the documentation will help you out. So this is a good practice that every developer should follow. I'm not a good developer, but I follow this. I just hope that I will be better someday. So yeah, so that's about it. I will personally show you how to add this one in next video, so you can see that for yourself. So that's about it in this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.